Here's a YouTube script for your channel, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are checking out the Realme GT 6T, one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025. Realme has been making waves with its powerful yet affordable devices, and this one is no exception. Packed with top-tier features, a stunning design, and flagship-level performance, this phone is set to shake up the market. Let's break it down. Starting with the features, the Realme GT 6T is powered by a cutting-edge processor that ensures lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, everything runs smoothly. The phone comes with a high refresh rate AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making every interaction feel fluid and immersive. Battery life is another highlight, featuring a large capacity with super-fast charging that gets you back to full power in just a few minutes. The software experience is clean, optimized, and packed with AI-powered enhancements to make daily tasks easier. The camera setup on the Realme GT 6T is designed to impress. The main sensor captures high-resolution shots with incredible detail, even in low-light conditions. Ultra-wide and telephoto lenses add versatility, allowing you to take breathtaking landscapes or zoom in without losing clarity. The front camera is optimized for high-quality selfies and video calls, enhanced by AI features that adjust lighting and sharpness automatically. If you love recording videos, the advanced stabilization and cinematic video modes make sure your content looks professional. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The Realme GT 6T boasts a premium build with a sleek and modern design. The back panel features a unique finish that catches the light beautifully, making it stand out. The device is slim yet durable, with reinforced glass for added protection. The frame has a comfortable grip, ensuring a premium feel in hand. The button placements are ergonomic, and the fingerprint sensor is ultra-responsive, making unlocking the device effortless. Realme has also stepped up in the audio department. The dual speakers offer immersive sound quality with deep bass and crisp highs, perfect for media consumption and gaming. The haptic feedback is refined, giving you a more tactile experience when typing or navigating the interface. Connectivity is top-notch, with support for the latest wireless technologies, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds and stable connections. In conclusion, the Realme GT 6T is a powerhouse that delivers everything you need in a smartphone. From its stunning display to its top-tier performance, impressive cameras, and stylish design, it ticks all the right boxes. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who just wants a reliable and feature-packed device, this phone is worth considering. That's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about the Realme GT 6T in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next one.